Hi, my name is Gueston Smith, current student in Bioscience 230. This is basketball, the neurological impact of practice. Some say practice makes perfect, but only perfect practice brings perfect results. Take an NBA player for example. A professional athlete like Kyrie Irving has shot so many jumpers and has had that particular skill so refined that he hardly has to think about what he's doing in order to do it successfully. Basketball skills are acquired by muscle memory. In playing ball, the complex movements required consist of many simple motor designs. Continuous training increases the variety of stored motor designs, and therefore athletes can choose a suitable motor design for that task unconsciously. Muscle memory is not stored in the muscles, it is stored in the brain. It is necessary to practice that shooting or crossover motion day after day, week after week, until the muscle memory has been developed. And one day you will wake up and it feels like you can repeat the correct motion on demand. Let's take a look into the brain. Success on the court depends as much on neurology as it does physiology. Muscle control and movement occurs when the electrical signals are sent via neurons from the brain and spinal cord throughout the body to the muscles. The motor cortex area of the brain controls movement by keeping almost a diagram of muscles used throughout the body. This area of the brain remembers muscles that are used and enables them to be electrically stimulated when needed. There are three separate motor systems of the brain and spinal cord that control movement. The pyramidal tract, which is also known as the corticospinal tract, the cerebellar system, and the extrapyramidal system. In order for one to shoot a basketball, the pyramidal system must first direct the movement and the sequence of the muscles to be moved. The pyramidal tract must tell the motor neurons in the spinal cord to first grip the basketball with the hand muscles and then bend both knees, bend elbows, push the ball up, and release. This is demonstrated by Kobe Bryant in the next clip. An additional motor system is the cerebellar system. This system coordinates and synergizes the movement so that the basketball is released in a smooth, continuous manner. The third tract within the motor strip of the nervous system is the extrapyramidal tract. This tract travels directly from the brain to the spinal cord. It is the extrapyramidal tract that controls posture and balance. For the elite basketball player who devoted their lives to practicing basketball, these movements come natural with little to no cognitive thought, which allows them to focus on winning. That accomplishment will lead to the release of dopamine. Also known as the reward center of the brain, dopamine is important for focus and concentration. It's a neurotransmitter that helps regulate movement and emotional responses, enabling us to not only see rewards, but take action to move towards them. And for any basketball player, there is no greater feeling than hitting the game winner.
Alright, this is in real time. Tell the people what you're gonna do. Tell the people what you're gonna do. Yes, tell the people what you're gonna do.